Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. Appreciate you being here. Today we got a couple of products that we want to unbox and show you and to demonstrate. And the first one is the Breville Bambino Plus Espresso machine. You get the manual, you get the razor, you get basket, you get a tamper, and you get the what they call the porta filter. And here it all is there. You could buy a whole lot of accessories for this machine on your own, but this is what you get in the box. And the machine looks like this, nice and shiny. And also we got a Baratza grinder. Can't have one without the other. If you got an espresso machine, you may as well invest into a good grinder, because really the grinder is what really matters. The grinder is just the top and bottom parts, and there's a few attachments that comes with it. You can get the personal, where it's you grind up just enough for one person, which is very handy because it fits right into the porta filter and not as much of a mess. And there it is right here. Don't forget to put your lever on, and that's pretty much all the assemble needed, except for just putting the top on. But here is the personal container. You just put it in with the rubber mat, and it fits right into the porta filter. Also, you can grind quite a bit more with the bigger basket. And here is the demonstration. Hey YouTube family, hit that subscribe button, because not only does it keep you in the loop, it also lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this sort of thing. Also, it helps the YouTube algorithm push this video out to more and more wonderful, beautiful people just like you. So there you have it, folks. We really do enjoy this machine. I think that if you bought it, you would enjoy it too. Thanks.